Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I was looking for a pair of nightstands to go in our spare bedroom, and I really wanted them to be beautiful as well as functional. And that is exactly what I found in these nightstands by Tribesigns. Even my cat loves it. I think that they're so pretty. I really love that mid-century modern look with the clean, elegant lines. I just love them so much. They have a very minimalistic feel, which goes really nicely in this bedroom. And I really love the gold detail in the handles as well as the legs. I think that it's so, so pretty. But aside from being pretty, it's also very functional. They're the perfect size and height, I think, for a nightstand. We have a queen size bed in here with a pretty traditional height frame. And I think that these are just the perfect height. So you easily place something beside you on the bed to be able to turn the light off, grab your phone, whatever it is that you need. Also, they have two drawers, which have pretty good capacity for nightstand drawers as well. So we're able to store things in there when we have guests. They can easily keep things in the drawers. And given the height of the nightstands and the design of them, you're also able to store something underneath. Maybe you have a cute basket or something like that. You can easily keep things underneath there. So all in all, I am so happy with these nightstands. They're everything that I was looking for. They're really, really beautiful, but they're also very functional, and they're added storage to help keep us even more organized and make our guests feel right at home. So if you're looking for a great pair of nightstands, I highly recommend checking these out because I think they are just absolutely beautiful. But that's just my point of view.